targets is set up. We're going to be shooting the 270 today, getting it sighted in. It's a Remington 270. We got our supersonic Hornady 130 grain SSTs. They're hard to come by. They're expensive. Can't really find them in stores. But what we need to do now is go set up the targets and get ready to sight this in for 2023 gun season.
Went down to that river, washed my sins away.
So we're going to shoot in and sight in our 270 Remington. I got this from my grandfather a couple of years ago. I used it last year and the year before. Got a couple deer with it so far. It's actually the same gun that my wife got her first doe and buck with it. Wow. Yeah, both of her deer are with this same gun. So it's pretty accurate already. I noticed though towards the end of the season, some of my shots were not where I wanted them to be. They were hanging left and low. So what we want to do today is just shoot it in, get it sighted in, make sure we're on point so that when deer season comes around, we're hitting everything properly. And at the same time, if a coyote comes, because you got to be able to shoot accurately and fast at long distance. And if I don't know exactly where this is dialed in at, I won't be able to, on the fly, be able to make calculations, be able to shoot at a coyote that could be 300, 400 yards away. So let's jump into it and let's get some shots downrange. All right, let's get set up. We'll get our gun set up and everything and start getting some shots downrange. First and foremost, let me show you guys this little beauty. Check that out. Isn't she pretty? 270 Remington Model 700. I don't know too much about like velocity and travel rate and all that stuff yet. The stuff that we'll learn together. But this is what I'll be shooting. It's got a Leopold scope on it. It's got a 3x9, and we're just going to shoot it 100 yards. We're going to take 3 shots, see where we're sitting. There we go. There we go. I want to be clean and free. See nothing in it. There are 2 shots here. All right. There's a lot of work that goes into shooting these guns. There's a lot of work comes into prepping it and getting ready. Let's see where we're sitting, where we're aiming at. Okay, we'll sit here. We're still too low. I know a lot of people, when they do this kind of stuff, they want to shoot off sleds. If you're wondering why I don't want to, I want it to replicate as closely to what it feels like of me being in the stand. Let's see something here. I want to shoot my money bags. Money bags, baby. That's way more comfortable. That's it right there. That's it. All right. Free and clear. First shot. All right. Fire. Okay. I may have pulled that trigger a little bit. Bullet in. Chambers open. Closed. Safety. Now we're locked and loaded. All right. Let's throw another one. I think we hit the same spot. So if that's the case, what are we looking at? if we're seeing that we hit the same spot, bottom right, we need to go over what? A ½ inch to the left and up a ½ inch. 2 clicks and up 2 clicks. Okay. Let's throw another shot down there. All right. Let's fire at another one. We're almost on the bullseye there. Did you guys see it? All right, safety's off. Safety's off and firing. I don't even know where that one went. Let's take a moment and get this thing out of the sun. It's hot. Let's let it cool down. Let's go down and check out these shots. Let's go down, put on our stickers over top the shots we did make, and then we'll shoot at the bottom target and see where we're sitting. Do I have a cleaning kit? I don't. So this is gonna be the problem. I don't have a cleaning kit here. My goal is to throw 3 more shots and then call it, and then clean it and make sure we're still shooting just fine. Which I'll put up a video of how I clean my guns and everything. I'll do that here soon too. But for now, I just want to. Yeah, I don't want to do that. I really don't want to put that up. Put up more shots, I mean. Not the video. I really don't want to put up more shots. I'll do 3 more because I don't want to shoot a dirty gun, because then I might start getting some false positives on shots, and false positives don't do anything for us. I think we got a game plan. Let's let it cool down, get 3 more shots. I got a water. We'll give it another 5-10 minutes here. Let the gun cool down, let the barrel cool down, and then we'll put 3 more shots through it. We'll shoot at the low target, and then we'll know where we're at. Shooting a hot barrel, I don't know if that affects it, but I'm sure someone will tell me in the comments. Enough time's passed. Let's get 3 more shots in. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. If you guys are wondering what these bullets look like, let me just show you. 270. See how they got the red tip on them? Ballistic tipped, or yeah, I think it's called ballistic tip. Hornady 270s. The reason I shoot these, they work. Every time I've shot a deer with this round and this load with this gun, I've gotten a kill. I've harvested, I don't know how many deer now with this gun. And now my wife has harvested 2 deer with it, and who knows how many my grandfather's taken with this gun as well. So, I mean, it's proven. We've shot the same ammo through this gun since it's been bought. Since my grandfather owned it, it's the same ammo, so it's proven. But that's what I recommend, at least for what I shoot for a, Remington 270 Model 700. That's what I recommend shooting. First bullet is here, but we haven't chambered it yet. Let's chamber the first round and get the gun to safety. Safety's on. Okay, we're lined up. We're dead center. Safety's on, or safety's off. Rear protection's on. Let's throw a shot downrange. Up and to the right. Let's put our second shot down. All right, let's lock this in. Safety's on. Safety's off. Jeez. To the right. We'll put one more down. Last one, and then I don't want to shoot any more out of this because it's getting hot. I could see the heat waves coming off the barrel. I'm on it. Let's fire. All right. I see where we're at. I see where we're at. We got a good grouping. We have a very good grouping, but we are to the right. Everything's a little to the right. I'd have to have my grandfather take a look and see at how I'm shooting and firing, and he's got to let me know if my if I'm pulling it or if I'm squeezing it. I may be pulling on like this part of the finger or squeezing on this part, and I should be squeezing more in the middle because that's what kind of pulling it backwards. Maybe that's what's doing it, why it's going a little bit to the right. Either way, it's something we can figure out, but at least it's grouping. That's a good sign. Scope's not off, bullet's not throwing, but we'll see.